So this microphone usually is incredibly quiet. This is an RE320 going through a Mark the Unicorn Ultralight Mark V. But check this out. Here's the power supply that came with the Ultralight Mark V. And here's a little desktop power strip thing that I use that has USB power supply built in. Now watch what happens when I put my mic next to this. And down here. So yeah, super ugly stuff if you're not careful with where those are in relation to your microphones and your cables. You can end up recording a lot of that noise.